Part 4, verse 7, camshaft control or the lubricating system. So, lube oil control panel sa taas again, lubricating system. Sa lube oil control panel, andito yung lube oil before shaft and then lube oil before piston, lube oil before camshaft, and the lube oil after piston. Andito yung lube oil circulating pump 1 and 2. And then indicators kung standby or on, and then switches. So every details ng control panel is kailangan talagang ma-familiarize ng mga gagamit ng simulator para effectively magamit mo siya for training at maging effective siya na makapagkuha ng knowledge sa mga trainee. Lube oil booster pump number 1. Number 2, again switches, standby, off, and on. So, asan ba yung lube oil circulating pump? Punta ng lube oil system. So, ayun siya. O, ito naman, ano ba ito mga ito? So, pwedeng itutok mo dyan yan. Ayan, control panel. Babalik ka dito. Lube oil booster pump, ayan. 1 and 2. So, ayun siya. Ito yung heater. Balikan ng control panel. Ayun yung heater. May heater na sinasabi dyan. Ayan, lube oil heater. Lube oil transfer pump 1 and 2. Balik ka sa lube oil system. Ito. Ayan, dalawa na yan. And then, ano naman to? Tsaka ito. So, this is the CO pump or the cylinder oil pump. Balik ka sa CO pump or cylinder oil pump. And then, the lube oil temperature before main engine. Ayan. Kinokontrol niya yung temperature ng main engine. Ayan, may sensor. Ito. Siya. May PID. Ayan. And then, ano pa? ST circulating pump or the stern tube circulating pump 1 and 2. Dead man's alarm, and then common critical alarm, lube oil pressure. So, pag umalarma yan, iilaw din to. Sa sounds to, iilaw to. Checkin mo. Pero dito, pwede mo rin ma-check yan. Yan, mga common alarm. Yan. So, next is the lube oil system. Ayan. At nandito yung main engine, ME lube oil storage tank number 1, number 2, DG lube oil, dirty lube oil, and then ayan yung mga bulbs and lines. So, yung mga puting bilog na yan, that will be the hot spot. Kung pag pinindot mo yan, punta ka ng generator. Ayan. Gusto mo bumalik sa lube oil, ayan, punta ka doon, pindutin mo, babalik ka dyan, lube oil system. And then the lube oil separator, main engine, lube oil sump, CO storage or cylinder oil storage tank, and then yung line, ayan, titration line na yan, during operational video. Lube oil separator, we have one lube oil separator. Yan sa baba, meron din pala dyan yung parameter overview, tsaka yung tank overview, ayan. Tank, fuel tank, water, oil, steam, and residuals. Katulad ng sludge tank, drain tank, bilge water, oil. And then lube oil stern tube. The lube oil gravity tank, upper and lower, pumps. The fourth anti-pollution system. Stern tube, lube oil, and then lines. Yan, mga lines and bulbs. Afterfick, afterfick pala. So that is part 4, lubricating system, and then part 5 is the compressed air system.